Hello, Dr. Ellen Cutler here, and I am so excited that after many, many years, I have decided to train healthcare practitioners in my revolutionary technique, ECM, Ellen Cutler method. It utilizes enzyme therapy for optimal digestion and nutrition, organ-specific detoxification, and a very revolutionary, non-invasive clearing desensitization of reactivities and sensitivities. This technique is for healthcare practitioners who want to study with me, who want to mentor with me. There will be different levels, even some that I will train to actually train other healthcare practitioners and have access to my advanced study and working over many, many years. People who I am drawn to study with me are healthcare practitioners such as chiropractors, medical doctors, osteopaths, naturopaths, acupuncturists. If you are interested, and I look forward to working with you, please contact our clinic. Look at our website, drellencutler.com, and you can use it as an adjunct in your practice or something you totally use underlying your technique in your practice. So again, if you're interested or know of anyone interested or want to get treated and work with it yourself, please contact drellencutler.com and subscribe to my YouTube videos, Dr. Ellen Cutler. I look forward to working with you.